to talk about the concerns of fires like that.
Yeah.
The other thing is credit to you. You were the first to tell all of us here at KOIN 6 and our viewers that started up.
And unfortunately, it is a site that's becoming more and more common earlier and earlier in the year, like what we have already seen over the past 24 hours. So the concern still remains, especially as the dry conditions continue to build here across the Pacific Northwest. The good news is, though, fast forward 24 hours from the initial start of that prescribed burn jumping over its lines, we've started to see that scorched landscape slow as it's still providing just a bit of smoke to the atmosphere out towards Deschutes County. Again, scorching a big swath of land, already growing to nearly 3,000 acres at about 15% containment just to the south of Highway 20. All as our fire weather danger dials are starting to turn backwards, still elevated for us out towards the southeastern corner of our state. But for tomorrow, expecting to hold on to those improvements, and that will carry us into Mother's Day as well as those drier but cloudier skies help to suppress our temperatures and reduce that threat. As right now our temperatures are hovering in towards the upper 50s as those clouds continue to race their way overhead, all after our daytime highs managed to climb back up into the upper 60s, flirting with 70 degrees, and that's exactly where we should be for this time of year. 68 is that average with a warm pocket out east along I-84. As many of our temperatures here across the metro area falling back into the upper 50s, still holding on to the low 60s out towards Troutdale and Forest Grove at about 57 degrees. All as we prepare for those clouds to kind of move in and out of our areas, we see the sunrise and a temperature returning to the low 50s as we prepare for our warming trend, as just a few of those leftover clouds still persist overhead. That's going to be the case over the next several hours. All as this ridge of high pressure begins to build, that's going to be sending us back close to 80 degrees for tomorrow, but we'll sit on the fringe of the jet stream. That's going to increase the cloud coverage for Mother's Day, help to bring temperatures down. But finally, we start to get a low strong enough to overcome the strength of the ridge of high pressure, and that's going to be our next shot, and maybe picking up on a stray rain shower or two as we move our way through next week. Our futurecast does show tomorrow starting off sunny, then those clouds, they race their way back into our area, and they're going to stay persistently overhead. And you'll notice a little bit of that moisture trying to crop up with our simulated radar, not actually coming to fruition. We are going to be staying dry all weekend long and into the first half of next week. It's not until about Wednesday and Thursday that we have a scattered shower potential once again return to our forecast, helping to fill up the bucket anywhere from maybe a raindrop or two to close to a quarter of an inch. Of course, that will all be playing out in the coming days as we approach that system. That's when we'll start to get some clarity. But for tonight, we'll hold on to those mostly clear skies with just a few leftover clouds falling back into the upper 40s by sunrise. Afternoon temperatures return to the upper 70s for us on Saturday. Sunday, mid 70s for us. And hey, exciting times out towards Moda Center. The first fire game against Chicago Sky. That's where we expect to see increasing clouds as you head into Moda. That's where our temperatures will be flirting with 80 degrees. And the good news continues for all of our moms out there. Temperatures back up into the low 70s by the afternoon hours as we hold on to the mostly cloudy skies on Mother's Day Sunday. Again, the peak of the heat, that isn't until we roll our way into next week. 86 degrees on Tuesday, very similar to what we will see tomorrow. We'll start things off sunny, then the clouds increase and then slowly cool us back. By the middle and end of the week, that's when that scattered rain shower potential returns, and we need to see the moisture return for the month of May as we quickly approach the heart of wildfire season. That's right around the corner, but at least 1 week from today, falling back into the upper 60s. Liz.
Josh, up next, the Portland fire